Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound. So today we're going to be doing a little DIY project, and actually two of them. One is going to be putting some stickers on the Maverick to kind of just dress it up a little bit, and they're going to go inside the recessed part of the tailgate. And I got the orange color that matches the interior of the car. I'll show you that in a moment. So the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to do this. This right here is a DeeZee Tailgate Assist. This actually helps this lower so it doesn't drop and break your knees. It's a nice little feature. Also, it doesn't drop down or dent itself. So we're going to install both of these today, and we're going to put it all on one video, and hopefully you like this type of stuff. You need some isopropyl alcohol, and you need a couple of clean rags, preferably nice and soft so you don't damage your paint. As you're going to see where it says on the Maverick, everything is depressed in here. It looks nice, but it's the same body color, and I just wanted something to look a little bit different. So now you may ask, what is the reason for the alcohol in this? What you want to do is you want to make sure that the contact area on the paint is as clean as possible. No contaminants, no wax, nothing. So this way your sticker stays on there for the life of the truck. I took all of the stickers and I put them right there on the bumper with the alcohol and rub in each individual one. Clean them nice, get them nice and clean. Gently put it on. There's your M. Now let's get through the rest of it. So now we're going to install the DeeZee Tailgate Assist. I love their products. I think they make a very good product. Now, you may ask why I have a pry bar. I'll show you the pry bar in a minute. What you're going to need is a T50 torque socket, a ratchet, an M5 Allen wrench, and a T30 torque socket. So easy to find. Generally, most people have those lying around their house. Let's get into the install. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to wind up taking this little clip, sliding it this way. The tailgate will come up slightly. It will be held on by the other one. Slide this off, and that just drops right down just like that. It's being held on by the other side, which is this right here, by that cable right there. Here's my Torx. And you'll take this piece right here, and you'll put it in like so, with the washer still on it right here. Take the washer, okay, now that's on there. Put the cable back on. So, take the cable, pick it back up, and it clips right back in. Now, this is all back where it's supposed to be. On the side of your Maverick, you're going to notice you have a little bottle opener. Yes, that's actually what it's for. It's a bottle opener. You have to remove that piece of equipment. The way that you do that is that there's a Torx bolt here, and I have a bed liner, and there's a Torx bolt right there. I'm not going to undo these two. I'm going to finagle it through there. Okay, so job done. Very straightforward. Goes right into here. Now the reason why I removed the bottle opener is because right over here is where this piece goes. I need this piece, which is where the actual liftgate assist goes. That's why I have this. But I couldn't get to this properly because this would have been in the way, and that would have created a small problem. So we don't like small problems. Get rid of that first. It makes it easier to actually put some pressure on this moving outward so it could just get sucked right in. So you don't scratch your paint. What you want to do is just take a nice little rag, put it right about there. Or you could do it like this. you want to keep as much pressure on this as possible so that when you are actually screwing it in, it snugs up as opposed to it just spinning in place. Get it in. So I have to get myself in. And again, squeeze in, tighten it down, and then we'll show you the next step. Now, I'd like to say this took me literally like 10 minutes to do. Well, it did. It took me 10 minutes. So what I did is I used this little piece right here, flexed it out, pushed out on this, didn't cause any major scratches. I'll have to touch that up. And then to make sure it's tight, that's the tightest it's gonna get. So this piece clips on right here. All you do is take with your hand, little tap with your hand, right? Take this. So right here, you'll see that obviously you've taken off the bottle opener and you see the tailgate holder right here. And very slowly and carefully and gingerly push it up so you don't. So what did we do today, folks? We installed this really cool tailgate assist, and we also installed these stickers. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.